Hello,
Hello. Hello.
how are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm good. Where are you from?
I am from the United States. Where are you from?
I'm from India.
India?
Yes.
Awesome. What time is it in India?
Mm, 12:03 a.m.
Oh, you're up late.
Yeah. And there?
Here it is 12:30 p.m.
12:30 p.m. Oh.
So we're exactly 12 hours apart.
Sorry?
We're 12 hours apart.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So, what's your name?
My name is Tori.
Okay.
What's your name?
My name is Sahiba.
Sahiba. That's a really
Yes.
pretty name.
Thank you. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. So what part of India do you live in?
Uh, uh, Jammu and Kashmir, northern part.
Ooh, okay.
Yes. Have you ever visited in India?
No, I have not. So I do not
And
know much about India.
you want to come?
Yeah, someday I would love to go to India.
Okay. Where? In which state?
Uh, which state do I live in?
Yeah, I mean, where you come?
Oh, go to in India?
Yeah.
Um, I don't know. I don't know the different areas of India.
Okay, okay, no problem. So, what's your profession?
I'm actually still a student.
Oh, student.
Yes.
University student.
hmm
Ah,
Although I graduate next week.
okay. So, how old are you?
I'm 22.
22. I'm 17.
17? Oh,
Yes.
so you are also a student?
Yeah, I'm student. Actually, mm, I am studying in 11th grade.
11th grade?
Yeah,
Awesome.
yeah, in high school.
So how long have you been on Cambly?
Actually, I joined the Cambly 1 week ago, I think.
Oh,
Yeah.
really? Me too.
And you?
Yeah, I just barely joined Cambly this week.
Oh, you are a teacher.
Yeah, this is like my third call.
Okay.
Mhm.
Nice. So, okay. So, do you live with your family?
Right now I live with roommates, not my family, just with like friends.
Okay.
hmm
Okay. So, uh, mm, how many your brother and sister?
My brothers and sisters, I have two older brothers and one older sister.
Oh, me too.
Oh,
I
really?
have,
Same?
yeah, I have two elder brother and one elder sister. But she's,
Wow.
yeah, I'm younger.
Yeah, me too. I'm the youngest.
Yeah. So she's married, my sister.
My sister is also married, and
Oh,
one of my brothers is married.
okay.
hmm
So you have visited and in other countries?
Yes, I've actually traveled around a few countries in Europe, and I've also been to Korea and Japan in Asia.
Oh, nice. So,
Have you traveled to other countries?
no, I have never.
No, only been in
But
India.
I want.
You want to? Where do you want to go?
I don't know, but but I want to come.
hmm
Yeah,
Do you like cities or do you like nature, like a beach?
nature.
Nature?
Yeah.
Do you
So,
like to go hiking?
yeah.
hmm
Hmm. So, do you like travel?
Yes, I like to travel.
Okay. So, what do you like to do in no? Okay. What do you like to do in your free time?
In my free time,
Yeah.
I enjoy watching YouTube or TV or movies or reading books.
Okay. What kind books?
I like anything fiction.
Okay.
Yes. Do you like reading?
Yeah, I like reading. In my
Mm-hmm.
free time, I like reading and I like painting and um, I like BBC. I listen BBC.
Mm,
Yeah,
BBC, the British channel, right?
yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
So uh, actually, I like mostly religious books.
Oh, really?
Yeah. So
That's cool.
you have the religion?
Yes, I do.
Okay. I'm Muslim, and you?
I'm LDS. Have you heard of that?
Sorry,
LDS, Latter-day Saint.
I don't know.
It's a common religion in the state that I live.
Oh, okay. So, do you like cooking?
Yeah, I enjoy cooking. I'm not very good at it, but I try.
Okay.
Do you like to cook?
Yeah, I I also like cook. I make a lot of things.
What's your favorite thing to make?
Sorry?
What's your favorite thing to make?
I like biryani.
Brownies?
Yeah, biryani.
Mm-hmm.
You know
Mm-hmm.
biryani? Yeah, biryani, chicken, and Maggie.
Hmm.
Yeah.
Maggie? What's that?
Sorry?
What's that? Maggie?
Mm, I don't know. I I don't I cannot explain in English.
That's okay.
My English is weak.
Oh, your English is so good, though.
Seriously.
Yeah. How long have you been studying English?
Actually, mm, let me think. I have I have been learning English before 6 years, but
6 years.
my school teachers are not speaking English. Uh, mm, they are speak Urdu language, maximum
They
Urdu
speak.
language uh,
Mm,
with students.
interesting. Okay.
Yeah, not English speak, not speak
hmm
English. Yeah,
So you don't learn English a lot in school then? You mostly learn English on your own?
yeah,
Okay. Do
yes,
you do you know any other languages?
yeah. know only Urdu and my own language, Pahari. You don't know.
I know that in India there are many dialects, right?
Okay. So, do
Mhm.
you know Urdu? Urdu
I've
language?
heard of it. I've heard of it, but I don't speak it.
Okay.
Oh, it looks like our call is almost up.
Yes, 20 seconds.
Yes, but it was very nice speaking to you. You're very nice, and your English is good.
Thank you.
And maybe you're gonna go to sleep soon?
Yeah.
All right, good night.
Good night. Bye.
Bye.